Okay, about the video links, we will ask Kevin to send to all your emails. Now about the USB port, we have many usage. You can connect USB drive for the some features or some application you need, such as to backup or store the log. And the USB port can be used as a disaster recovery. If the system on the device is serious crashed and you cannot recover it by the reset, so we can provide you a disaster recovery image. You can write the image to your USB drive and put on the gateway, and then the system will be recovered. And another use of the USB port is for debug, for update, for debug the GSM module or something, some other debug usage.